Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Google Sheets. This is a really useful feature when you're working with headers or labels that need to fit into narrow columns, or when you simply want to make your spreadsheet look more visually appealing and organized. To get started, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials that are associated with your workspace and spreadsheets. This step ensures you have access to all your files and can make the necessary changes. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google apps and files are accessible. From here, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to rotate text. Take a moment to locate the right file, as you'll want to make sure you're working in the correct document before making any formatting changes. Now that your spreadsheet is open, click on the cell containing the text you want to rotate. It's important to select the specific cell first, as this tells Google Sheets exactly which text element you want to modify. Once the cell is highlighted, look toward the top of your screen where the toolbar is located. You'll need to find the text rotation icon. This icon looks like a capital letter A with an arrow underneath it. It's a simple but distinct symbol that controls all your text rotation options. Click on that text rotation icon, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several rotation options. These options give you complete control over how your text is displayed. You can choose tilt up, which angles your text upward slightly. You can select tilt down, which does the opposite by angling it downward. There's also stack vertically, which arranges your text in a vertical stack with each letter sitting on top of the other. Additionally, you'll see rotate up and rotate down, which turn your text at steeper angles. If none of these preset options work for your needs, don't worry. You can also simply input a specific degree measurement if that's your preference. This gives you precise control over the exact angle of your text, allowing you to customize the rotation to fit your spreadsheet's layout perfectly. Just type in the degree value you want and the text will adjust accordingly. And that's it. Your text is now rotated exactly how you wanted it. This small adjustment can make a significant difference in how professional and readable your spreadsheet looks, especially when dealing with complex data or tight spacing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.